Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset Windows 11 by keeping data or without losing data. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to Geeker Mag. Alright, click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings app, switch to System. On the right side, scroll down and select Recovery. Under Recovery Options, locate Reset this PC and click on Reset PC button next to it. This dialog box will appear. Here you will find two options. Keep my files. That reset PC without losing data. It only remove third-party apps but keep personal data like photos, videos and related stuff. Remove everything. That reset PC to out of the box state means everything will be deleted. Select Keep my files. Next. You will find two options again. Cloud download, it will download the latest build of current version of Windows 11 and reinstall during the reset process. Keep in mind that it will use more than 4 GB of data and process will take more time. Other option is local reinstall. It will use the copy of Windows on the same device. It use less time. Both ways are effective and process is same. So choose the option that you think is best for you. I will go with local reinstall as it saves time. Here you will find current setting for reset. If you want to change settings, click here or click next. Now your PC will be prepared for resetting. It's going to take 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, you will see this screen where you will find complete information about what data will be deleted and protected. If you want to check what apps will be deleted, then click on View Apps that will be removed. And finally click Reset button. Now system will start doing the final preparations. At this point, the process of resetting the PC has been started. Now sit tight, you have to do nothing, rest of the process is automated. It's going to take 10 to 15 minutes. To make this video short, I'm fast forwarding the process. Once progress reaches to 100%, PC will restart automatically and continue further. Now it will take 10 to 15 minutes. Again, I'm fast forwarding the process. And once process completes, you will reach the Windows 11 home screen. So this is how to reset Windows 11 without losing data. I hope this helps. If you have any query related to this video, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.